Okay, so here's how you're going to do this. And yes, I'm going to go a little bit fast, but I'm also making this video so you can check back on it at any time. So here's my Outlook. If I click on File, I'm going to go down to Options. When I click on Options, it's going to open up what's called a dialog box. This is basically a box that is inside of a program that pops out. So that's why I call it a dialog box. Makes sense, and it's always named up here. So this is the Outlook Options dialog box. Over here, we're going to click on Mail, and then down here, it says Signatures. You can see I've made these a few times, so yours is going to be blank right here. What you're going to do is you're going to click a new one. It's going to ask you to give it a name. So for this class, I'm going to be CA5A. I'm going to say OK. Now it's blank. So when I get down in here, it's kind of like a word processor or editor or anything else. So I can go Jeff Nold, 7th grade team awesome, Cheney Middle School, Janold at west-fargo.k12.nd.us. I press enter to make that a link. Now, if I want, I can change a few things. So I can edit this. So maybe I can change the text style. I don't want to make it something crazy silly like that, right? So I'm going to make it like, I'll do that one because it's kind of bolded already. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay. Maybe if I want to take 7th grade awesome and Cheney Middle School, I'm going to make those green. The article told us not to play around with the colors too much, but I disagree with that. I think that's cool, and that's just fine. If I press enter, one of the things I have is I have a picture. So if I want to take a picture, I Google something, somebody give me something to Google. Dogs. Fantastic. I'm going to find dog. Oh, fantastic. I'm going to snip a dog real quick. Don't worry, we're going to talk about copyright later on, but I'm going to just go ahead and copy this. Come right in here, right click and paste. So now I have a dog. Okay, over here, I want this to be on my new messages. Okay, so I'm going to change this to CA5A. I hit OK. Cha-cha-cha, I hit OK, cha-cha-cha. Now when I click new email, boom, here's my new signature, Jeff Nold Team Awesome. As a rule, when I'm ready to send an email here, there is nothing that goes below my signature. Everyone understand that? Do you have to have a picture? No. Fabulous question. But it is up to you. Because remember in the article, it stated that avoid fancy fonts, colors, graphics, and inspirational quotes. So sometimes if you put a picture in, the picture can be too big and might cause other people to slow down. If you wanted to put a quote or something, you definitely could, but you want to make sure the picture isn't too big, which is why I use this smaller picture. Like even on my regular email, I have close this. I have Fernando the Bull. So real quick to go back in there, options, mail, signatures. The one I use all the time has the West Fargo Packer logo, Fernando the Bull. So that way when I hit a new email, boom shakalaka, there he is. Make sense? Any questions? Any more questions? Great question, by the way. Okay,